not saying the guy is not talented. He definitely have a style to him, definitely. But just like most others, his talents are wasted on nonsense. Low IQ, low frequency nonsense. Very talented guy, he could go very far from the absence. Right now, I'm gonna listen to this attack. But what's all them board, if you ever see him, all if make a chronic 100-meter head start in Canada, let me make a chip. These guys only talk tough to them friends, but in a real life, we know it. I only pound knows the ball. The chronic I'm telling you how you reach really.
Jump Out TV production, viewers and subscribers, back with a hot new video. Another one, people. In today's video, we want to talk about Chronic Law Boss. Also, we want to talk about Squash6ixBoss, Big Breeze up in them town. Them boy, they have to pay dues. Also, we want to talk about legendary YouTuber SirP. Viewers and subscribers, SirP was right. SirP was right about Chronic Law. SirP was right about Squash. SirP did want Chronic Law before him end up where him dead. SirP did want Squash as well. SirP did don't tell them say they must low the toxic energy. SirP tell them say they must low the crime and violence. SirP tell them say they must stop the toxic, vile, destruction song where a destruction to the youths them in a Jamaica. SirP did done one enough dancehall artists. SirP did beg them for low the every, but the dancehall fraternity say SirP a informer and SirP a snitch. Now the chicken them come home furious. And if you do a job or you do your work and you take up crime and violence, at the end of the day, you are going to get your pay. And we see where Chronic Law and Squash end up. Enough of them people here where you see involved in a crime and violence. SirP warn them. SirP not just come out and expose them. SirP we throw out couple subliminal and tell them to bill. Tell them to just do music, focus on music and low the low IQ type of music and behavior where them have. Once more, the legendary SirP has proven right. Seeing people, so Chronic Law now viewers and subscribers drop a song on him YouTube. You know, so Chronic Law have different producer where I work with. But right now, them drop the perfect song on YouTube. A song named Snitching. A song where I talk about informer. Chronic Law know say somebody snitch on him. Chronic Law know say somebody inform pan him. The street been attack say Squash6ixBoss a snitch and Squash6ixBoss out there a sing like a Cylindian. Squash6ixBoss a sing like a baby face. Squash6ixBoss a sing like a Kenny Rogers. We see the plea deal where him get and we see him only get 27 months behind bar with time served. So Squash supposed to get released from prison January 25th, 2027. So within a year, Squash6ixBoss a touch road. And remember, so them label him a transnational gang leader. Remember, so them name him as the leader of the G-City gang. Remember, so them hold him with a chip Glock in Florida. Remember, says Squash6ixBoss is an undocumented immigrant. Squash6ixBoss is illegal. So the American Constitution, the right to bear arms, seen that no go for Squash6ixBoss, that go for green card holders, permanent resident, and also United States citizen. So we know says Squash6ixBoss supposed to do some serious time behind bar, but him accept the plea deal and we know say him a snitch. So Chronic Law know say somebody snitch upon him. The streets been attacked. Say Squash6ixBoss snitch and Squash6ixBoss attack. Also the street attack. Say Chronic Law artist saying SirP a snitch as well. The brother when near Rajan we get pick up the other day by ICE as well. Seeing them hold him with couple tool, them hold him with Coca-Cola. Seeing and the brother is actually a felon. He's actually a criminal. So he's not supposed to have no tool in his possession. And them find him with a tool where can transform, switch over. Them find him with a tool where coming like a Autobot, it coming like the Decepticon. Them find him with a tool where can fire more than one different type of bullet. Them find him with a tool where it's a chip Glock where him supposed to get serious time behind bars as well as you can see him get bail and him die road. So enough of Chronic Law fans them. Enough people in the streets I say he look away if you see him get off of that the case there or him get bail or him get release on that road so quick. How them hold him with Coca-Cola, how them hold him with a tool and him just get bail. Lack of that. Plus a chip Glock is illegal in the United States of America. No civilian not supposed to have it. It's actually a machine gun. Once you mess with it and turn it into a chip Glock, once you put the switch in a hit, it become a machine gun or something where you fi use in a war. The police them afraid of it because it can release several bullets in a second. The police them scared of it and enough people we see get hold with it where United States citizen. Some of them get 10 years, some get 15 years, some get 20 years. And enough of them are first time offender. So it look away if you see the system now work for United States citizen. United States citizen get the hardest part of it. Pause and the system deal with them wicked and them go to 15 to 20 years behind bars. As a person like a Squash6ixBoss get less time. A person like a SirP, Rajan get less time. So the Chronic Law fan base, no for the fans them I say, that brother they look shaky. That brother they look like say him snitch for Chronic Law. So Chronic Law a drop a song, make it people them know say a snitching get. A setup in get, a somebody out in camp, a somebody where him know, a one ex-friend them, a one ex-parry them, a somebody snitch pan him. So Chronic Law know say somebody snitch. Seeing people, so a that a go on. So in a the song, Chronic Law even turn up pan one grave right in farm upon it. And Chronic Law I say head a go roll. You know what they man they toxic already. See, you know enough time when you find yourself in a certain situation like Chronic Law and you have a top lawyer or you have a lawyer. The lawyer now I go get the evidence from the other side, the prosecutor, at some point in time, in interrogation and everything. That mean to say, them have to hand over certain information to your lawyer, for your lawyer know a go on, so your lawyer can know when up against, so your lawyer can talk to him client and make the client know say this sticky, a crazy information they have for you, the information where them have, we can't win a case here, it better we take the plea deal. Seeing people, so at that go on, yes, the informer is gonna be confidential, not for the time when court are go on and certain information, so you're gonna know what go on, but them are gonna try hide it as the informer identity as possible. But Chronic Law no say a snitching go on. The streets don't attack, say snitching go on. The streets I say look away, fi see Chronic Law artist Rajan da road. And Chronic Law is in ICE custody right now in a South Florida in a alligator Alcatraz. We know say him illegal. We know say he no have him illegal, but at the same time he have work permit. He not supposed to have no tool. Him not supposed to have no gun. He not supposed to have 4 tool in possession because he's on a work permit. He's not a citizen or a permanent resident. He's supposed to have security, a bodyguard he's supposed to roll with. But the streets attack. Also, people are crazy dancehall artists are informed now. Remember, say no, them running no in a New York no. New York is a crazy state no. New York no play when it come to tool. New York no play when it come to gun, especially a handgun. It's hard for you get a handgun license. In a New York, you will more get it for a pump rifle or a shotgun. Seeing cause that big and long and you can't really hide it under your clothes like that. It is harder for you get a handgun. And remember, say, Rygin King find himself in a car after him a go party and them make a wrong turn. Them never put on them turn signal and how them did a drive. Police pull them over, search them car and find tool in a them car as well. See, Rygin King that road same way. Crazy people attack, so Rygin King and inform. So we are telling you say a crazy domino effect. Cause most of the Jamaican artists them afraid of the cold. Most of them love them tropical climate. Most of them they in Florida or them they in Atlanta. So when it come to the cold, you know enough Jamaican love the cold. So enough of the Jamaican artists them link up in Florida. The whole of them are power with the same set of bad man them. The whole of them are roll with the same link. Appear mix up and passa go on. Appear domino effect. The man them are inform. The man them are snitch. Enough of them come from Jamaica. Majority of them come from St. James. A crazy link up a go on with scamming and all of the tool them where get sent go back to Jamaica and Coca-Cola left Jamaica come a United States of America. Enough of them artists where you see. Nothing now go on for them. Enough of them artists them not have no hit song. Enough of them song now get no views. Enough of them no own them song either. Enough of the artists them now do no stage show. Enough of the artists them involved in a scamming, chopping. Enough of them involved in a illegal. Enough of them in an illegal activity, and we been a tell them so for low the frigate. We been a tell them for low wagwan. So now I go see enough more dancehall artists get locked up. Uno I go see enough more dancehall artists get caught up. One of the dancehall artists where thing look shaky pan away and Marley Dan. You remember when Marley Dan and Chronicler a clash? Appear informing did a go on? Appear snitching did a go on? Remember, Chronicler said to Marley Dan, remember, Hellgate drop. I'll know uno no defend it. Couple 6 can member drop out. I'll know uno no defend it. Remember some of the things where Marley Dan are accused Chronicler of. Certain case where Marley Dan are talk about only the streets know. Enough people never know what go on. Enough of the crime them when Marley Dan accused Chronicler of. The police them not put out them report there yet. Enough of them case they in no solve all know. Enough of them case they all know in no close. Enough of them case that open investigation right now. So it look away that the dancehall artists them find themselves in so much crime and violence and know about so much crime and violence when a music enough of the dancehall artists them fi do. As a matter of fact, all of them should not do music. But me I tell you now, enough of them dancehall artists here are gang leader them. Enough of them have them gang. Remember when the feds them name Squash as a transnational gang leader. Squash say no want that pan in name. Them tell him say you don't accept the plea deal already. So you don't agree to all of that. But the transnational gang leader them, enough of them in a dancehall, enough of the dancehall artists them are done, enough of them are run off certain crew, enough of them involved in a certain badness, enough of them are put certain tool in a Jamaica allegedly. So right now, Malidan I get pre. Remember when we tell Malidan to watch himself. Remember when we tell him say, low out Squash6ixBoss, stay over one part. You remember when he come out and say free Squash6ixBoss. Remember we tell them what happened to Bobby Smurder. And I'll tell you once more. Once Bobby Smurder get involved in a criminal activity, once the feds run in, 50 Cent stop follow him, Drake unfollow him, Kevin Hart, Snoop Dogg, everybody did a rock with Bobby Smurder. And once Bobby Smurder get involved with the feds, everybody take with themselves. Once P. Diddy get involved with the feds, LeBron James take with himself, Jay-Z take with himself, everybody take with themselves. Once R. Kelly see him where, everybody take with themselves. Cause when you come to the feds, them I go pre and watch everybody where you link with and associate yourself with. Them I go tap every phone call. Remember when we tell you them youth here, social media and mash them up. Them social media inform upon them. A crazy picture out there with Malidan in the United States of America with gun. Crazy video out there with him with certain tool. Video and picture out there with him turn up with Squash6ixBoss as well. All of them think they're on the internet. All of them think they're on the Instagram. Remember, Malidan is not a U.S. citizen or resident. He probably have a visa or a work permit, but him find himself at a crazy picture with Squash6ixBoss. At the end of the day, the feds them are pre all of that. Remember we tell you say, Rajan have certain photo with tool in his waist and Chronicler turn up side of him. You see what happened to Rajan and you see what happened to Chronicler. The feds them are pre everybody. Even if you are an active 6-camp member or you are ex-6-camp member, them are pre everybody. Them dancehall artists have crazy tool in a them song. All of them tool them one know which country come from, where it come from, how you come by them tool. Remember me tell you the music video them wanna do will be used against you in the court of law. Remember Squash6ixBoss song, Get Up no? Remember them use against him in the court. Remember the rapper Young Thug out of Atlanta. A whole line hip-hop song them when ma push badness in a crime and violence. Them use the whole line lyrics against him in a court. That is now a law in the United States of America. It's not just art imitating life or life imitating art. It's not music no more. All of them tool there, all of them lyrics there will be used against you in the court of law. As me say, all of them artists I want to see catch a case. Want to see Rygan King catch a case in New York. Uno see Chronicler catch a case. Squash6ixBoss catch a case. Rajan catch a case. The whole of them, seeing lyrics will be used against them in the court of law. The whole of them are snitch. Every man a bad man when them the Jamaica. But when them step in a Uncle Sam place, a different badness. When on a step in a Uncle Donald Trump place, a different badness. The man have zero tolerance when it come to immigrant and crime and violence. Whether you document or undocumented, them now play. A wrong time now for piss off Uncle Trump. Wrong time now for piss off ICE. So enough of them artists here, whether Jamaica, we are do them friggery all over the place, them a pre-uno. If uno the Jamaica and uno a send tool or Coca-Cola coming to the United States, any type of illegal activity, once you commit a crime against the United States of America, them want to know. No matter which part in the world on a day, them a go extradite to know. And we see them extradite crazy scammer from Jamaica fi come face the tune, fi come face the music in the United States. Crazy Dan, them now play. And remember, say J-Man case a come up as well. And J-Man no one get the death penalty. J-Man snitch pan Shop Dan. J-Man is the crown or the #1 witness in a Shop Dan case. J-Man is the key man for send Shop Dan go prison for years. So J-Man baby mother Two Fly get slapped away by Shop Dan them. Allegedly, J-Man did have to run out of the house and take away himself. So J-Man is the main witness. So the Jamaican government a work with J-Man, and J-Man a go help them sing Shop Dan, and them a go talk to the United States government to take it easy upon J-Man and no give him the death penalty. So at the end of the day, J-Man a inform as well, and J-Man court I come up. And remember, say Squash6ixBoss now help J-Man. Squash6ixBoss now pay for J-Man lawyer. A public defender J-Man have as a lawyer. J-Man can't afford lawyer. J-Man no have no money pan in books. J-Man no have no money for commissary and all of them thing there. J-Man broke. So J-Man a go snitch and talk on Squash6ixBoss and everybody we know. And Squash6ixBoss is behind bars. So Squash6ixBoss worse can't help J-Man because Squash6ixBoss have him own a problem and Squash6ixBoss naina help J-Man. So all we are telling you, watch out. Crazy more dancehall artists are go get locked up. Crazy that politician are go get locked up. Crazy big name in a Jamaica I go get locked up. Me have a next video for drop tomorrow pan Shelly a style up on the spot media, so no pay attention for that as well. Just watch out. Everybody we are watching video, like, comment, share, subscribe. Them video here is educational purpose, educational reason. So enough of youth them can learn before it's too late. Enough artists can learn before it's too late. Enough of us say we are informer, we are snitch. But if we can tap 2 or 3 or 5 youth Fanga prison, we good. Enough of them youth here show with them life. You hear what SirP say in the beginning of the video? SirP say Chronicler is very talented, but is a low IQ artist and in toxic and in dark, and that is the reason for him end up where him there. SirP did been a one chronicler. SirP been a big squash, but nobody no one listen. No a time for them face the music. No for who know where I say we are informer. If we no did a burn out to youths them and taught the truth, no for them who know they behind bars, and nothing no wrong with informer. Any man we say informer if you get dirt or duns, cause me know say if a man dirt your mother, your father, or dirt your kids, you go want information. In a that the case you go support informing. So what if me know who dirt your mother, father, sister, brother, and me no say nothing? So at the end of the day, no for you no really burn out informing. You just love man. You want pour honey all over man. No for you only support informer when it benefit you know. No for you support snitching when it benefit you know. So if a man thief your car and a man see a who thief your car, enough he say nothing. Cause if him tell you an informing, make it make sense. No for no add-ons. Jump Out TV production. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm out.